after 4 days of building. Here we go. Every piece of wood cut, every nail banged, every screw I done. Designed it in my brain and put it in the garden. Da 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 da. There you go. Felt roof. Stand is 4 foot high, and the peak there is 6 foot, so it's 10 foot altogether. Nice window, plastic of course. Spindles, ladder. Babby wanted a tree house, but we had a stilt house next to a tree because it's safer. Here's the ladder. Here's the door I built. Lock and a handle. Opens inwards so they can sit on the porch without getting knocked over. There's a window. Then swings are about 7.5 foot high. Another handle, some hooks for the coats. Decking. As you open it, it goes onto the little thingy they've got, and there's the decking.